In part 1 we looked at how to make objects track a target, but what if you want an object to stay attached to another without parenting it in the hierarchy? Today we are mastering the position constraint. This is the secret to creating modular UI, floating companions and complex rigs that stay organized. Standard parenting can be a nightmare. When you rotate a parent, the child rotates with it. The position constraint solves this. It allows an object to follow the position of a source while keeping its own independent rotation. It is cleaner, faster, and much more flexible for game logic. Let's set it up. Select the object you want to move and add the position constraint component. Just like before, we need a source. Click the plus icon and drag your player or target object into the slot. Now click as active to engage the constraint. By default, your object might snap directly to the center of the target. To fix this, move your object to the desired position. Then look at the constraint settings. Click Reset Offset. To lock this new relative position. Now, no matter where your target moves, this object will maintain that exact distance. Here is a pro tip. You can toggle which axes the object follows. If you only want an object to follow on the X and Y axes, simply uncheck Z. You can also use the weight slider to create a lagging effect, which is perfect for smooth camera follows or tethered drones. The position constraint is a massive time saver for modular game design. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for the final part of this series. In part 3, we are covering rotation constraints and how to combine everything for a professional finish. I will see you in the next one.